Hello students, I am Reshma. Today we are going to learn organizing tables in two parts. In first part, we are going to study how to create table and how to insert value in it. Children, tables are very useful to organize data in rows and columns. So come on, let's start with it.
There are multiple ways of table creation in Word document. So, in first method, you're going to make use of mouse. With the help of mouse, you will click on table and then you need to select block. The number of blocks you select horizontally will create number of columns, and the number of blocks you select vertically will create number of rows, like this. In second method, you will make use of special keys from your keyboard, like plus and minus sign. So plus sign represents the start and end of the cell, and the minus sign denotes the width of your column. Okay, like this. The moment you press enter key, it will create a table of 3 columns and 1 row. Now, if you want to add here more rows, you need to make use of tab key from your keyboard. Okay, like this. In third method, you need to specify the number of rows and number of columns in the beginning. So for that, click on Insert, then Table, then you need to select Insert Table option, and here define how many columns you want for your table, like this. Okay, children, have you noticed in these 3 tables, all rows and columns have equal height and width, but sometimes you need to specify height and width of your choice for your table. That time you can make use of draw table option, like this. Okay, now my first column should have small width, the second column, and then third column. Then my first row should have this much height. Even you can draw diagonals. You can divide this cell like this. So using draw table, you can make horizontal and vertical lines to create your table. Now children, let me tell you, you can convert your data into table as well. For example, if you have data like this, then you can convert this data into tabular form by selecting this data and then click on Convert Text to Table option from Table. When you click on this option, it will ask you for separate text add. So here in separate text add, you need to specify what is your delimiter. So in this data, I have given tab to separate name and marks. So I will choose here tabs. You might have some other delimiters like star, commas, question marks, and so on. I'll click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, it will create a table of your data. Now, let's see how one can insert values in table. So for this, you need to make use of your mouse. Using mouse cursor, you can select particular cell in which you want to insert data, like this. Or you can make use of Tab key to move to the next cell. If you want to come to previous cell, you can press Shift plus Tab key or the left arrow key. Like this. So children, you can make use of arrow keys to move up and down, or you can make use of your mouse pointer to enter data in particular cell.
I hope you understood multiple ways to create table in Word document and how to insert values in it. Thank you, children.